Hi friends, this is Salman Pathan from Maths for You channel. So today we will see the problem on integration. So question is that find the integration of x sin x cos x dx. So today we will solve this integration. So for that first we will consider this equals to I, that is I is equals to integration of x sin x cos x dx. So as we look on this problem, so this problem seems to be difficult. So for solving this difficult problem in easiest way, so we will use one identity. As you know, the identity of sine 2 theta, which is given by sine 2 theta is equals to 2 sine theta into cos theta. So instead of theta we will use the x, that is sine 2x is equals to 2 sine x into cos x. Okay, so I hope you are understanding this. So why we are using this term? Because when we are solving this problem, that is integration of x into sin x cos x dx, then it seems to very difficult to solve. And if we are using this identity, then we will replace this sin x into cos x by this identity. That is, we can write sin x into cos x is equals to 1 by 2 into sin 2x by transferring this 2 on this side. Okay, that is RHS. Sorry, this is LHS side. Okay, now we are putting this value in our regular integral. So I is equals to integration of x, instead of sin x into cos x we will replacing by this 1 by 2 into sin 2x dx. Okay, now 1 by 2 is constant, so we will take 1 by 2 out of integral. So in integration we have x into sin 2x dx. Okay, now it becomes very easy for solving. So for that, either we will use the Liet rule by using integration by parts, or if you know the generalized rule of integration, that is Leibniz rule, then it seems to very easy. So we will use the generalized rule of integration, that is Leibniz rule. So I is equals to 1 by 2 is constant. So this will be first term, this will be second. So first term will be as it is. Then integration of second term, integration of sin 2x will be minus cos 2x upon integration of this term, internal part will be 2. Okay, then here will be minus sign, then derivative of this x will be 1. Then after that integration of this term minus cos 2x upon 2 will be minus as it is cos 2x, integration will be sin 2x upon integration of internal part will be 2 into 2 will be 4. Okay, now further we will take the derivative of 1, that will be 0. So further steps are not needed here. Okay, so closing the bracket. Now we are simplifying this 1 by 2. This x will be multiplied to inner side, so it will come to be minus x cos 2x upon 2. This minus will become plus, so 1 by 4 into sin 2x, closing the square bracket. This will be the final answer of our integration. Guys, hope you all have understood how to solve this problem, and further we will take a lot of problems based on this. And I will request you to like, subscribe and share my channel, and hope you are getting this. Thank you very much.